Best neighborhood in Santa Clarita. I'm not going to give you the full answer, but I'm not going to be weak about the whole thing either. This is SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. Let's talk about what buyers are looking for before moving out to Santa Clarita, besides the schools, if they have school-age kids. A lot of people now take their children out of the public school and put them in, private school down in LA, put them in a public school out here. A lot of the schools are blue ribbon in nature, but let's give you a quick layout of what's happening. So I'm going to my website, SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com, and you can get market reports and everything, but we're going to look at the map, kind of get a on here in Santa Clarita and the way that it's organized. So this is the entire Santa Clarita Valley. You can see these are all the listings currently for sale. There are no ads or any other pop-ups. This isn't a lead generation website either. This is my website, and I'm Connor with Honor. Just Google that and you'll find me all over the place. So just to give you a quick rundown, this is Castaic Lake. Over here is going to be Six Flags Magic Mountain, about in this area, and this is kind of a layout. This is these areas here, Castaic, California. Then as we go a little bit further south, this is north up to the top of the map. And of course, south is here, west will be this way on the map, and east is going to be this way. Hopefully I'm recording correctly. And this is going to be Castaic. This is Westridge, California. Stevenson Ranch is located here. This is the 5 freeway. If you follow this down, the 5 freeway goes down into Los Angeles. This is, of course, the San Fernando Valley. This is downtown LA, the beach, Santa Monica, all that fancy stuff. So that's that layout. On this side of the valley, we have the 14 freeway. So as you're coming up north past the San Fernando Valley, you might be wondering where the 14 goes. Well, it actually goes out here into Palmdale, Mojave, and it just keeps going out into that particular part of Southern California. But here in Santa Clarita, as you come up the 14, this is going to be Newhall down in here. Canyon Country is going to start and continue out. As we come out, we have Agua Dulce, another Santa Clarita Valley city, and then Acton before we get into Palmdale. Moving over here, if you look at the bottom, starting at the 514 split, you have Newhall, California in here, and then starts Valencia. Of course, Stevenson Ranch is what I talked about in this area. This is Newhall, and then Valencia starts pretty much this entire area. In here is going to be Valencia. If you're driving around out here, this is the Tesoro area as well. And then this is Saugus. Everybody's wondering where Saugus is. Saugus is kind of in between the 5 and the 14 freeway, kind of in the center. So your commute times, you look and see how long it takes you to get to the freeway if commuting's an issue. If not, if everything's local for you here, perfect. That area, all the neighborhoods are fantastic. It's going to depend on how close you want to be to your neighbors and what other amenities close to shopping, restaurants, entertainment services, and how you would like that. Also, don't forget Valencia and some of the other areas. They're all master planned communities. We have great paseo systems, walking paths, and those sorts of things. So you can get access to those most everywhere in Santa Clarita Valley. I'm Connor with Honor. Please check out SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. We'll talk to you soon. Be well.